Latest Carrom board game hack. You might be searching for mobile Carrom board game hacks so that you can have unlimited gold, unlimited strikes or other premium options. It is however not encouraged to download hacks or cheats. These hacks, which are often installed on mobile devices, demand that the phone will be set into developer mode. This allows cybercriminals and hackers to abuse your phone for their own personal campaigns. About Carrom board. A Carrom board is a square smooth flat wooden board that can be 72 cm or 74 cm square and which should be positioned 60 or 70 cm above the ground. In each corner is a circular hole that can be 51 mm in diameter, and underneath each hole is a net to catch the pieces in a similar way to a snooker table. Carrom is a tabletop game of Indian origin. Carrom is very popular in the Indian subcontinent, and is known by various names in different languages. In South Asia, many clubs and cafes hold regular tournaments. Carrom is very commonly played by families, including children, and at social functions. Different standards and rules exist in different areas. It became very popular in the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth during the early 20th century. Subscribe to the CyberWarzone channel for more news, tips, tricks and downloads. Please, use the comment section for any questions, feedback or video requests.